Iphezulu esiqongolweni seJohannesburg kulapho babuthene khona bosondaba bamalimi ahlukahlukeneyo nathi sibalwa lapho nanzi ezijujileko.
Can't say there was no sale of a truck, but it does seem to me that the documentation that was put together was documentation put together for the purpose of explaining this cash.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga khange ifunene ukuyizwa ihlathululo kaSergeant Fanny Nkosi yokuthi batsho imali atholakala nayo ngendlini kwakuyimali ayifumana ngokuthengisa ithraga.
I-inquiry efanele ukwenziwa eyenziwayo nanina xa kukho ingozi izawuqhubeka.
Ungqongqotshe womnotho owenjiwako uGwede Mantashe uthi bazokuphenya bebaphenyisise ukuthola bona yini ebangele ingozi emayini ye-Ekapa Mines la kusele khona umonakalo omkhulu.
Sina sibatali sithi asinzawo singakathuli bantwa bethu.
Imndeni yabasebenzi belilimane solo bavaleleka ngemgodini welilimane bathi kuvuka amanceba kibo nakuvela indaba zokuthi abasebenzi beKimberley Mine bona batholakele emgodini babo solo baya. Nzunza nomanala siyathokoza ukunifumana nisilindile njengoba simfula kundla wendaba zandamama nje kwa-SABC. Nginguthulani Bongwe, ungazwanga batsho hlalela eduze akwande. Ihlathululo enikelwe nguSergeant Fanny Nkosi bona kuba yini bekaphatha ikarita lebhanka lomsolwa wobelelesi uVus'Muzi Matlala nokuthi kuba yini atholakala nemali ngange-385,175 esefeni sakhe semali mhla kusetshomzakhe kuphakanyiswe njengesinye isenzo esiphambana nokulunga. Lokhu njengoba ikomishini beyiraga nokuqalisisa ubufakazi bakaNkosi.
uSergeant Fanny Nkosi ubuzwe ngendaba yangoSewula ngomnyaka opheleleko nakuza kubhudulwa emzini wakhe lapho kwafunyanwa khona ikarata lebhanka lomsolwa webelelesi uVus'Muzi Matlala kwabe kwatholakala nemali edlula ku-300,000 ngesefeni. uNkosi unikele amahlongothi amane nakabuzwa ngokuthi wayeliphethe ngelithini ikaratelo kanti lokho kuphakamise amehlo ekomishinini le. Begodu ubuye wathi batsho imali eyatholakala leyo yayibuya ekuthengisweni kwetraka kanti lokho kwenze ukuthi ikomishini le izibuze ukuthi uNkosi uyazithomela yonke lento na nofana yindlela yakhe yokuzifihla emsebenzini wakhe wokuba sithunywa na.
I can't say there was no sale of a truck, but it does seem to me that the documentation that was put together was documentation put together for the purpose of explaining this cash.
Kate Chaskalson ubuyele endabeni yensolo zokuthi batsho uNkosi wabhadela umfundi wendaba kwa-SABC uNatasha Phiri ambhadelela ukuthi batsho wamnikela inombolo zikaMusa Khawula. uNkosi akhange avume ukuthi wabembhadelela inombolo zikaKhawula kodwana uthi batsho wayesemupha ngombana uyamazi.
Now that you have seen it, do you accept that you paid Natasha 500 rands?
No, I accept it.
And you accept that 500 was, in your words at the top of 1344, a token of appreciation for giving you Musa Khawula's number?
I think I was going to be in a better position to answer that if you gave me this before, but I will check it. Maybe we can pack it, then we'll check it, then I'll come back to it.
uNkosi ubuye wathi batsho ibhege abonakala ayiphethe emgadangisweni we-CCTV nakaphuma kwakatiso KT Molife ngabe yinezembatho ebazembatha nabayokukhwela inithututhu. Nanyana kunjalo nakuqalisiswa into engaphakathi kwebhege leyo ayibonakali njengepahla ayihlathululako. Ukulayela kwekomishini kuyaraga.
Iparlamente ithi liraga msinyana ihlelo lokumangalela isikhulu salokhu yase-Road Accident Fund uCollins Litswalo. Iparlamente ibeke ngalindlela ngemva kokuthi uLitswalo adalela amadakufara wayo wabhala ukuyokuvela ephenyweni lendaba le elenziwa yikomiti yama-akhawunti omphakathi eParlamente iScopa.
Zabe ngokuthoma iParlamente ivulela umuntu obhalwe kuyilalela amacala obulelesi. Ikomiti yeParlamente ejeje ukuphathwa kwemali maziko kaRhulumente iScopa ithi isilemukiso sezomthetho malungana nokuvulela uLitswalo amacala sesiseParlamente. Isilemukiso lesi sizokusiza uSpeaker weParlamente egadangweni lokuthi kuragwe namkhanjani ngokuvula amacala obulelesi nokuthi kuzokwenziwa njani lokho.
Legal advice has now been obtained. It is with the office of the Secretary to Parliament being processed so that the Speaker can then be able to make a decision about whether she concurs, one, and secondly, what the process that we should follow in laying the criminal charges.
Anya nekomiti ibona isilemukiso sezomthetho isiqundo sizokwenziwa nguSpeaker. Uthi ihlelweli lemaphorodla njengomani iParlamente ingakhange khivulele umuntu amacala ngalindlela.
The owner of the legal opinion is the Secretary to Parliament and the Speaker, and there are real matters for them to consider out of that legal opinion.
Mile ekutheni ukubhala kwaLitswalo ukuvela nanya nadakufariwe kubatsha negadango lokuvula icala lobulelesi. Kwakhathesi ikomiti yaraga nokuphenya imali zeraf nayisalinda uSpeaker bona atsho ukuthi bavule icala namkhanjani. Isiqundweso singaba ngesivulela iParlamente indlela ekutheni abantu bathosa njani ukuziphendulela.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi nanyana uRhulumente athabile ngokubuyiswa nokungcwatshwa ngobutsha kwamakhoyini amasana ama-63 eTlhagwini Kapa, amaziko nawo kufuze athomise ukuqalisisa ukulungisa imitshapo eyenziwako. Insalela zamakhoyini amasana la abanikazi bazo bakhutshwa ngakafanele emathuneni wabo iminyakeni elikhulu eyadlulako, kanti nje bangcwatshwe ngobutsha eKinderley hlanu Westernkoff eTlhagwini Kapa.
Isithunzi sabo basuswe enarheni yeAfrika egade bahlala kiyo uphilo babo bonke. Lapha gade babonwa emazweni wangaphandle benziwa imiqaliso kuma museum azinkulungwana zamakhilomitha okusuka lapha bahlala khona. Njenganje sebasiwe ekhaya labo lokugcina.
Moment speaks to the very theme of commemoration. As the burial task team, we have carried this responsibility with humility.
That audit revealed that their remains had been unethically removed and taken to the University of Cape Town in the 1920s by a medical student, reflecting a painful legacy of exploitation and disregard for indigenous communities.
Ramaphosa uthi uRhulumente uthethe ihlangothi lokubana insalela zabezimu akufanele zibekwe kuma museum ephasini.
These remains were taken away. They were not just being taken away, they were being stolen. So a theft was committed here.
Insalelezi zibuyisiwe kodwa kunefuneko yokubana kulungiswe ubuchapho obudlulileko. uRamaphosa uthi amazwe kunye namaziko ahlukahlukeneko amlandu ngokungancancabezi malungana nalokho akonako esikhathini esidlulileko.
Ukhomanda walokho wamapholisa webandlululo uEugene Dikok uvele phambi kwekhotho ephenya ngecala leCraddock 4 ekhotho ephakemeko yeGqeberha. uDikok utshele ikhotho bona isahlelo ngebhomu eyathuthunjiswa ekoloyini eMatawele ngo-1989 lapho kwabhubha khona amapholisa amathathu notamnana kwakuhloswe ngakho ukufihla ilwazi ngokubulawa kwabatshutshozeleli abaziwa ngeleCraddock 4.
Phenywa ngokuthumba nokubulala kwango-1985 lapho kwabulawa khona abatshotshozeleli abane ababelusana nombuso webandlululo uFort Kalacha, uMatthew Goniwe, uSicelo Mhlawuli noSpero Mkhonto ababulawa amapholisa ebandlululo nababesekhambeni elisuka eGqeberha eMpumalanga Kapa.
they were threatened to be in charge for fraudulent checks. There was actually a whole racket going on concerning intercepting credit cards, car hire cards, checks, and then I don't know where the money went.
Ukulalelwa kuyaraga.
I will agree to that.
Ungqongqoshe wezenjiwane Mbaseli uGwede Mantashe uthi kuzokuphenywa bekufunyanwe unobangela wetlipitlipi yedaka emayini iYekapa Mine eKimberley elibulele abasebenzi abahlanu. uMantashe uvakatshele imayini le namhlanje okulandela ukufunyanwa kwenthumbu zokugcina zabasebenzi ababili basolo bangatholakala ebangeni elimakhilomitha ali namkha ayi-890 ngemathunjini wephasi phakathi kwakamhlolanja. Isitumbu somsebenzi wokuthoma sikhutshwe emalangeni ambalwa adluleko bese ababili bakhutshwa ngosonto.
Umsebenzi othethe inyanga yonke ukhutshwa kwentumbu zabantu aba sekutsho ukuthi imindeni izokukhona ukuyobabeka endaweni zabo zokugcina. Ungqongqoshe uMantashe ubuyele kule mayini kwehlandla lesithathu solo kwenzeke isehlakalo lesi. Uthi kufuze kwenziwe iphenyo lokuthi abuyapha amanzi laba ngelihlipi edaka.
I-inquiry efanele ukwenziwa eyenziwayo nanina xa kukho ingozi izawuqhubeka. Okwesithathu into ze-liquidation then zingalandela.
Ngemva kwemveke kwenzeka ihlekelele le imayini bese lifaka isibawo sokuhagalelwa mtshono yabalindleko zomsebenzi nokuhlogeka kwekareko emakethe eDayimani. Lokho kwenze bona abantu abangaphezulu kwekulungwana basale banganamisebenzi njengoba nemiholo yangenyanga epheleleko ingakhange ibhadelwe. Union yabasebenzi bekorweni yezesimbi nomsa ithi yokumangala ukuqinisekisa bona abasebenzi bafumana okubafaneleko.
Sithi ke sizawuqhubeka sisebenzisana nama families to i-process of burial and investigations ezizokwenzeka.
Ngaphambi kweshaft ehlanu kwemayini le abasebenzi bomnyango wezabasebenzi bebasiza abanye abasebenzi ukufaka imbawo ze-UIF mahluko ngalabo abaphelelwe imisebenzi.
For me, as a mine worker, it's very difficult for me because why we have like in insurance, we have families out of all, and there is no incoming like in.
Abanye abasebenzi balokho bemayini le abafumene ama-voucher ukudla we-3,500 bathi incane khulu imali leyo ukondla imindeni abo. uMantashe khombela abasisa abanelitho bona bathenga imayini le bapha abantu imisebenzi.
Imndeni yabongazimbi kunye nabasebenzi balokho abelili mine Lost Creek eMpumalanga bathonyeke khulu ngemva kokuzwa indaba zokuthi zitholakele intumbu zabantu abahlanu zemayini yeKapa eKimberley. Bahapudlwa ukuthi seminyaka eli-10 kodwa bemakhabo bona kubhala ukuthi batholakala njengoba badi bezeseka elili mine.
Imndeni abongazimbi abathathu solo isalindile ukutholakala intumbu zemndeni abo. U-Yvonne Mnisi, uPriti Nkambule noSolomon Nyirenda barageleleka ngaphakathi emgodini wemayini ngesikhathi igakoko bebangaphakathi kwalo ligirebezeka ladibizeswa yirabula emayini. Ngomnyaka ka-2023 ikhotho kaMagistrata weNelspruit yatlolisa ngokusemthethweni ukuthi abongazimbi abasekho ephasini. Unina lika-Yvonne uRosi Mnisi uthi basazokampa emayini ncange imayini le bekufike lapha kutholakala khona abantu ababo.
Ala ke thina ngoba bantu labaningi bayabulala abantu siyabukela ema-TV bayaphuma iparula bayithola ibheyili manje labethu asadi nje ukuthi yini lebayendile besifisa nje basitshele nje libe linye langa ukuthi hlalani badali barabantwana bethu licala labo inali.
Namuhla nako iKapa Mine bekuvaleleke 5 abantu babakhiphile kanti labethu laba ngakhishwa ngoba nabo bavaleke emsebenzini. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama thina abatali babo nalabantu abethu asibo bala eSouth Africa.
Benzi bemayini owayeminyezeke emgodini ngaphakathi emayini kodwa wagcina khutshiwe uthi impilo yakhe solo yathoma ukuchuguluka mhlanokho.
Sesisho ukuthi akusimnanzi empilweni yethu nyalo impilo yethu ihlubethe kakhulu wasinako ukuthula nekujabula ngoba asathi ukuthi kusala kuphi.
Njalo ungqongqoshe wezenziwa namandla uGwede Mantashe uthi bazozikhipha intumbu zabantu abawela ngaphasi komgodi elili mine.
I take full responsibility. Committed one slight mistake and that mistake is costly up to today. he allowed liquidation in the middle of a crisis. Here, as a minister currently, I insisted that you can talk liquidation is premature, get those bodies out.
Ubude bebanga labagiribezeke eKimberley li-890 kanti belili mine belimamitha amachumi alikhomba.
Nasibuya entolo.
The progress we are making is very real, and especially when it comes to our surveillance capabilities. We just don't have enough resources to respond always to where we need to get and go and make the arrest.
Ungqongqoshe wendaba zangekhaya uthi uhulumende ufuna ungezelela insiza emikhawulweni ukuceda ubulelesi nokukhukuthiswa kwempahla. Indaba sekhona lapha mbukeli nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Ungqongqoshe wendaba zangekhaya uDokotela Leon Schreiber uthi uhulumende uhloka insetshenziswa ezingezelelweko ukulwisana nobulelesi emkhawulweni nokukhukuthiswa kwempahla isiwe emazweni abomakhelwane. Ungqongqoshe utsho lokhu nabekavakatshele umkhawulo weBeitbridge eMusina eLimpopo njengoba nakuza iguti nje. Ivakatsheli kuhloswe ngalo ukuhlola ubujamo nokulungela isiphithiphithi sama-holiday weguti nokulwisana nobulelesi.
Isango lomkhawulo weBeitbridge lingelinye lamasanga aphithizela kakhulu eSouth Africa. Esikhathini esiningi kuhlala kunemijeje emide yabantu abayokuvakatshela emazweni abomakhelwana. Ngesikhathi sama-holiday kaChristmas ngomnyaka opheleleko, phezazi inkulungwane ezimashumi amaphepha ahloliweko abantu bebeqa umkhawulo. Kanti kwabotshwa neenkulungwana ngeenkulungwana zabantu abeqa umkhawulo nabakhukuthisa impahla ngokungemthetho. Ungqongqoshe uSchreiber uthi nanyana amaziko wezomthetho asilungele isikhathi segudi kusafuneka insetshenziswa ezingezelelweko ukuvikela imikhawulo yelizweli nokulwisana nokuqiwa komkhawulo ngokungemthetho.
The progress we are making is very real, and especially when it comes to our surveillance capabilities. We just don't have enough resources to respond always to where we need to get and go and make the arrest.
Umkhandlu wengameli imikhawulo uthi wehlise izinga lobulelesi emikhawulweni eminyakeni edlulileko. Umkhandlu lo uthi ukusetshenziswa kweteknoloji esezingeni eliphezulu nenkolo ezilungela ukukhamba idakeni nendleleni ezinamatshe kusize khulu. Umkhandlu wengameli imikhawulo usazokuragela phambili namajima langa okuhlanganyela namajoni weSouth Africa nabanye ababelani njengoba naye echitela nje iguti.
Njenganje siphosa amehlo ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle asizweze America ne-Iran.
Umengameli we-America uDonald Trump uthi uzokuyalela iphiko lamajoni welizweni lakhe bona athwilise isahlelo eliqaliswe e-Iran bona lone imthangalasisekelo yamandla namaplant wegezi iminyaka emihlanu okulandela imkhulumiswano yokubonisana nelizwe le-Iran. Igadango likaTrump liza ngemva kokuthusela kwe-Iran ngokusahlela amaplant wamandla wegezi we-Israel nalabo abathumela isekelo e-America esingini seGulf nenge i-America ithusela imthangalasisekelo yegezi e-Iran. uTrump uveze enkundleni zokuthintana bona inkulumiswano ne-Iran ziyokuraga ivekele.
Ikomiti yeParlamente ephenya izwangobatsho obukhohlakalo obusemapholiseni ovezwe nguKomishinala wamapholisa waKwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ibethwa sikhathi ekutheni icede ngombiko wokugcina ngaphambi kokuphela kwenyanga. Ikomiti le ingezelelwe isikhathi amahlandla amathathu ngaphambi kokuthi icede ngomsebenzi.
Parliamente kulindile kubona inikele iParliamente umbiko wokugcina ekupheleni kwenyanga le. Umbiko kufanele uphathe ubufakazi obubambekako obulethiweko kunye nentshukumiso zomgomo nokujugululwa komthetho emazikweni wezomthetho. Ikomiti yeParliamente izobufakazi kufakazi ukugcina iveke ephelele kwangelesithathu ongu-Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Kanti amahlandla ambalwa abanye abofakazi bethola ubufakazi bekwabangamasa. Okusele kwakhathisi kuhlanganisa bonke ubufakazi bekunikelwe ngentshukumiso eParliamente. Kodwa kukhanya bona ikomiti izokuhlala nini godi. Usihlalo wekomiti uSovet Lakhanyane uzokalisa ukuthaba ngokuqeda ngokulala ubufakazi iveke phela kwangelesithathu.
I prefer to give my members some time
to engage with the general, especially that he's the last witness. And at a personal level, also taking into cognizance that there is some excitement amongst my members that today is the last day. So I don't want to spoil the mood.
Alombono wakho mbukeli ngendaba ephela kule.
Ubufakazi bona sibuzwile mara akunamuntu oyajele bafuna net ukudla imali lephela
esiba kubosha inkila mkhubezi bezeba imali yomzansi kisebe isizwe sasemzansi siyalapha
sekusele ukuthi umthetho udlala indima yawo abantu babizwe khona
masiko commissioning go ba buru botse mahlo le setšhaba ka tše berisa dilemo ge tša corruption e diregago maemong a godimo ka sepodiseng sa Afrika Borwa.
Kuhamba kancane kuzothatha isikhathi eside kanti nemali phela yentelo iyadleka nje yoba lokukhuluma ofakazi.
Thina besithi sinamapholisa ngaphakathi kwamapholisa ulawula ingebengu ezinkulu.
Sekusele nento ukuthi ababoshwe bonke abenza ukukhohlakala.
Ngiboni le committee eParliament izaba nefuthe ekubanjweni ngokongani kwelizwe loMzantsi Afrika ngonqevu.
Ningakhulu engitholile nokuyinkohlakalo okuvelile ekuhlaleni kwalo.
So abanengxaki ababoshwe.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ezokuthwasa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono wombukeli. Ngezimali ekantali inzinzile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Umbanduliwe Bafana uHugo Bruce uthi abadlali bakhe badodophe khudlwana ukucelana nePanama emidlalweni emibili yentshabatshaba yomngane. Umdlalo wokuthoma ungelesihlanu ivekele eMoses Mabhida kanti wesibili ungelesibili iveke ezako eDHL Stadium eKapa.
Longwane, Maseko, as the other one, Kabini will arrive tomorrow morning. So at breakfast, the group will be complete, and we can start the preparation for the two games against Panama. I know that at the moment Panama was announced as our opponent for two games in March. That some people were asking Panama, why Panama? Well, Panama is ranked 30 places higher than we, so that means something, I think. They are 33. Secondly, it's a Middle American country, same style of playing like Mexico, our first opponent on World Cup. So I think it was the right choice to choose Panama for two games here in South Africa.
Siyaloshisa ekhaya ngomvulo ngeGauteng ngaphasela khela wathela ke siqale ukuthi kezinye indawo kunjani nge60% ngale ngeNorthern Cape nangale ke esifundeni sange Freystata aqine hle ngale ke ngaKwaZulu Natal nakezinye indawo zeMpumalanga nge80% ngale ke kubolimpopo sawubona lapha nge30% kusasa lapha sawubona khona nge80% kezinye indawo zangale ke ngeLimpopo angithi lapha ngeMpumalanga nangale ngesifundeni sange KwaZulu Natal ukuthi ke phakathi neSouth Africa phawathole nge60% kungukele abantu batsheje khulu ekseni nabachayela ukusuka lapha ke eMpumalanga Kapa ukuchinga endaweni zangale ke ngeMpumalanga sithole lapha ke isilemukiso semjijo eduma kumbi lapho ubona khona umbala osarulana kuyathindeka isifundeni sangale ngeFreystata nakusasa kunjalo nesifundeni sangale kwaZulu Natal nangale ke ngeNorthwest nakezinye indawo zangale ngeNorthern Cape sicela amazi ngokushisa sithoma ngaphange esifundeni sange Gauteng Pholile Johannesburg Carltonville nalapha eSprings kuthe Pitori eBroncosspruit futhumele nge24 degrees Celsius siyalapha ke esifundeni sange Mpumalanga sibonakale ke siphole lapha angithi eLimpopo kupholile eZanini nge23 kezinye indawo kufuthumele lapha eMusina kuyachisa nge33 ngisempumalanga ke lapha sibona khona ke nakhona kupholile kuboMiddelburg emalahleni futhumele lapho kubomhlanga kwaGafontein isikhukhuza ngakuyachisa ke khona siyalapha kwaZulu Natal siyoqala ukuthi khona amazi ngokuchisa kanjani Pietermaritzburg nalapha endaweni zabo Vryheid kupholile lapha ke kubo Richards Bay kufuthumele iMpumalanga Kapa ichisa lapha kubo Willow Moor kuthi kezinye indawo zonke sibona lapha ke kufuthumele nakwa nojoli kuyachisa nge-33 lapha-ke kusetshingalanga Kapa iCape Town iyachisa nge-33 nalapha-ke kezinye indawo zabo Oats Warren lapha-ke kubo George khona-ke kufuthumele iNorthern Cape leya-ke bonakala nayo ichisa endaweni eziningi Kurumani nokho-ke yona ifuthumele iKimberley neDa asiyokucala lapha-ke eFreystata ukuthi khona kunjani siyabona ukuthi eVelkom nalapha-ke eKroonstad kupholile nabo Sasolburg kuthi-ke kwezinye indawo kufuthumele siya lapha kokugqina esifundeni sange Northwest naso-ke sifuthumele siya ngokuchisa pheze lapha eTosca nge-29 asibonani kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido